Yeah, I am loving this unit that I purchased off a TikTok shop. I did do a install video that's going to be coming out on my YouTube channel, but this is so cute and this is a glueless, y'all. Like, I am loving it. Another hair video. This is I feel like the name of this TikTok shop is like Body Jazz. I'm going to have it on the screen because I forget the seller. But I was eyeing this wig on TikTok forever and I finally purchased it. What I did was I co-washed it. I do have straight backs. I am going to be wearing my black band just because I don't feel like doing like the ball cap method. I'm also going to be I did spray it with tint, lace tint. It is supposed to be a glueless, y'all. So yeah, it got a band. It is, I think, a 5x5. It has 3 combs, and then it has the adjustable band, and it has the drawstring. So let's just see what this is about. I actually started installing it and was like, why am I not getting this on camera for the girls? So here we go. I am not like a glueless believer, y'all. Like when I be seeing the girls with glueless videos, I be like, is that real? Like, is it really glueless? But like I said, I wanted this wig. I felt like the color was so perfect for fall. I just really wanted it. And honestly, I do think that it's beautiful. Like, it's not even like in its like natural state yet. Oh my gosh. It's not even in its natural state yet, and I like it. I like big hair. Um, Hold on, y'all. I'm on a struggle bus right now. Okay. And the funny thing is, it do feel secure. Like, this is a weird feeling. Like, I'm not used to this. So I am going to do the drawstring too, just so I can, oh, it's tight. Okay. Okay. It's actually tight. Like I said, this is my first one that I may wear as an actual, glueless. And again, it is a 5x5. I'm just gonna, and again, all I used was lace tint. And I think I went in with like medium, what is it, medium dark? I'm trying to get this part right. All right. I'm just gonna go with like a little concealer just to brighten up this part. And the lace is already like on a zigzag motion, so you really can't even like see it that well. Like, okay, all right. So this is a 20-inch, y'all. Again, I did co-wash it. I did started shaping it. So if you see like right here, it's a little shorter. I do like shaping my curly hair to my face, like my natural hair. So what you see me doing is just like going down like on a slant. Just so it can shape my face. Again, it's wet. It's wet right now. So once it gets bigger, I want it to like shape my natural hair. And just to let y'all know, like, I love, 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 love big hair. So, yeah. And don't get too crazy with cutting. I did that before, and it's like, you just don't want to do that. All right. So, now what I want to do is, I want to get some baby hairs. Yo, like I said, like, I'm just nervous about this. Having something glueless. So, I may just spray it down just a little bit. And the Kiss, this is my favorite bind. I'm just gonna spray some. But I can say, like, this is just, I'm only spraying this because of my nerves. It actually is glueless. Like, I can see why they're calling it glueless. So I'm just gonna let that like dry down. And while that's drying, I'm actually just going to do some baby hairs. And you don't have to do baby hairs. I just want baby hairs. So I'm just pulling them down. And I did pluck a little bit. I don't think I mentioned that. I did pluck some. It already came plucked though. So like this wig is definitely ready to go. This is a wig that you can just slap on. But y'all know I'm extra, so I wanted to just customize it a little bit. With curly hair, I definitely recommend you co-washing it and then also shaping it to your face. That's what's going to make it look natural and just more complimentary, like complimentary to your face shape. I have a fuller face, so it's really just beneficial for me. I think it's more flattering when I actually do have the shape of the curls or the fro shape my face. And my baby hair, I have low sideburns, so I'm just literally just slicking those in there too. And I'm going to do the same thing with these, just in case if like some of the wind blow. I don't care that it's black. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm just going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to spray a little bit on my finger. Okay, so that's the baby hairs for this look. Then, like I told y'all, I did co-wash it. But now I want, so this is how the sides look. I co-washed it, but I do want more like embellished curls. Oops. And I'm going to show you why I'm going in with the mousse. I really should have did one side at a time, just so it won't like dry. All right. So now what you want to do is do like that, and then now you want to do some finger coils. So since I love the Burmese curl, but this is not a Burmese curl, this is more like, I would say like a loose body wave. I mean, not a loose body wave, a loose deep wave. So you see how this curl is? Like this is closer to like the Burmese curl, and this is the curl that I like. So what you're going to do is this finger coil. You want to take the curls and just start finger curling. It's all about the hand motions. And then you just want to push it up. You can also do this with curl cream. You don't have to use mousse. You could do this with conditioner as well if you don't have curl cream or you don't have mousse. So you see how this curl is? I love these curls. So I don't do them to like every single piece. I do them sporadically out throughout my hair, throughout the curls. So this is how it looks. And then you're going to do the same thing to the side. So you're just twirling the hair together just to make like defined curls, and then you can leave the rest like curly, like more of the loose curls. So this side is kind of drying. So that's why I said that I should have probably did them separately, but it is what it is. I love this color, y'all. Like this is definitely giving like the 99J. Like if y'all know, like in like the 2000s, love this color. And it's so perfect for fall. And just to let you all know, I am not being paid for this video. I purchased this with my own coins. But if y'all want to collab, hit a mama up. Hit the email. All right. So I think I'm going to do like one other one over here. And then I don't have a diffuser, but I really wish that I did. Oh, I can't wait till it grow. Oh, I love big hair. I'm excited. All right, y'all. I'll be back on. All right, y'all. So I actually let it air dry. I had to go pick up my daughter from school. And when I got back, I just put some makeup on. But as you can see, like it's basically, I would say like 97% dry. So now I'm just going to take the same comb. You see, like I really wasn't making that much of a difference when I was doing it, trying to fluff it when it was wet. But now you should see a difference just because it's now basically dry. So it's better to fluff on dry hair. I was trying to finesse earlier just for like the video's sake, but it just wasn't going to happen. If I had a blow dryer though that had like the diffuser on it, it would have worked. So you see, I'm just going in and I'm just plucking. You can start pulling up sections. You can use your hand. The back is still like a little damp at the roots. So as you can see, like it's definitely bigger than what it was. And you see, I did actually like really like comb the roots because I do want them to be bigger. And I'm also going to show you what to do to define your curls if you feel like the curls got a little too big. I'll show you what to do then. So as you can see, like it's definitely getting big. And this is where you definitely can see your shape more. So this is how it's looking. And again, like I said that before, I like bigger curls. You see how these are not as fluffy? You can comb them a little bit just to make it a little more big. I did put leave-in conditioner in it too. This is how the back curls look. It feels amazing. It washed really well. I didn't have to bleach the knots at all. I literally just put some tint and some little makeup on it just to make it blend. I did use the Juvia's Place Berries palette. I used this color here for my eyebrows. Just because I do like when my eyebrows match, especially when I'm wearing like a red color. I like when it matches the hair that I'm wearing. So yeah, so how do you define these curls? Let me go get my mousse. So I'm switching my mousse up just because this is the first mousse that I've seen. This is a lot of body mousse. It really doesn't matter. I like Nairobi the best, but I like a lot of body too. So what you're going to do is just take this much, and then you're going to grab the curl that you're trying to define. And I am going to focus on the ends. Now remember, this is going to dry. So I know it's going to look a little weird at first, but it will dry. And you don't need that much. I probably honestly used too much on that one. And you see how like that's like a little too long. You could just go and cut. Cut the areas that you need to cut. You want to do the same thing, and you're going to do this in any area that you feel is just like a little too like no definition. Same thing over here. There's like a curl here that's a little too And then these two, again, just take a little mousse. And I feel like that is a little long. So I'm just gonna cut that. Like these could be. Also, this is like a great time to start shaping too. Like if you just see like right here, I feel like it could be a little more better shaped. And again, if you want some more defined curls, just go in those areas. And it doesn't have to be mousse. It could be conditioner. It could be curl cream. There you go. And it will dry. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I am sold on Glueless Wigs. Like, TikTok shop, they went off. I'm going to have all the details below, y'all. This is so pretty. And the color is as perfect for the fall. Like, these curls are so luscious. You can't tell me that this is not coming from my head. Like, oh my gosh, like I love it. And it's a 5x5, so I could do like a side. Like, yes. And if you don't like this, because obviously my hair is black, you can always pull the hair down and make your sideburns, like make your baby hairs if you need to. But I love it. The bigger it gets, the more that I love it. You can see that the definition is there. It feels really soft. Like, so it's not the curly hair that's going to look like a freaking ragamuffin. You're not going to look like a ragamuffin in a few minutes. It's definitely human hair. And I think I paid about $100 because I did use my own coins. I feel like I can shape. So yes, I actually really love this, y'all. All right, that completes this video. Hopefully y'all learned something. Hopefully you want to go get you a curly wig. I told y'all, like, this was a very easy wig, and I think it looks so natural and so beautiful. Make sure you follow me on all platforms, Maria Nairobi, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.